On the morning of July 4th in Leeds, Alabama, Daniel Corporation brought in Solley Crane out of Decatur, Alabama, and their S58 Sikorsky helicopter to move hundreds of tons of HVAC units to the roof of the Shops of Grand River. The Shops of Grand River is scheduled to open fall of this year. The Leeds Police and Fire units were on hand in support of this operation if needed, and this is just one of hundreds of implementations to bring about a project of this size in Leeds, Alabama. This is David Hogan with Leeds Herald.